My name's Ava Winterton. I'm 18 years old and I study the musical theatre course. I chose a BTEC because you have the opportunity to be more involved. You're being practical day in day, you know, you're not necessarily sitting in the classroom all the time doing written work, you're actually experiencing it firsthand. So I'm very on my feet all the time, you know, I'm not in one place, I'm not sat like writing stuff down, you know, I'm constantly being involved. I'd always done musical theatre and I wanted to progress in it and to make it a career rather than a hobby. A standout trip for me would be the London trip that we go on. We went for 3 days and we got to see 3 West End theatre shows, and we also got to take part in a workshop in a London-based theatre studios with one of our alumni who used to come here. Career aspirations for me would be to perform, whether that be on a cruise or the West End or any regional theatre in the UK. But I also like to direct as well, so I definitely look into that more. I would definitely recommend this course. I think it throws you in, but in a good way. There's high expectations, but the way that they guide you through it is so thoughtful, and you just feel so comfortable in order to do it. You know, you're being pushed to your best, but not in a way that it's going to stress you out.